An alarming fallout of Aaftab and Shraddha Walkar murder case. Bachelors being turned away from housing societies in Noida in Delhi-NCR. This notice posted at the gate of Noida's Antariksha Society is not the only such instance of landlords closing their doors to bachelors. The residents of Welfare Association of the Supertech Emerald Court in Noida has issued a notice to homeowners.
You have already seen Shraddha and such cases which is happening here. Who is responsible? It is the RWA or the security of the society which will be made responsible. So that part we are taking care.
But are such diktats even legal?
See, a society can't give any such notice. It is illegal. There are a couple of things to consider when we test the legality here. One is that a rent agreement is between the owner and the tenant. So how does the society come into play to give such a blanket eviction notice? If any eviction notice has to be given at all, it can be by the owner of the property.
Residents of such housing societies cite various reasons for not wanting bachelors in their neighborhood.
These boys, they come from surrounding colleges and all those places, and they feel that being in a hostel, it's very restrictive. So for freedom only they come to these places.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जब ये फ्राइडे आता है ना, जब इनका वीकेंड आता है तो ये 2-3 डेज में ये लोग ना पार्टीज बहुत करते हैं. उसकी वजह से क्या है, डिफरेंट तरह के पीपल्स आते हैं, डिफरेंट तरह के लोग आते हैं, फिर हम लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं.
This has come as a major calamity for young bachelors seeking accommodation in Noida.
When I started talking to brokers and all, then I realized that to get a place for a bachelor to live in is kind of difficult because generally societies don't accept bachelors coming to their place and living. It was really difficult to manage work and finding an accommodation at the same point of time.
Bachelors have always had trouble finding accommodation in NCR. But after the Aaftab Shraddha horror story, homeowners are now more nervous. In this situation, life for youngsters living away from their families to study or to start a career has just gotten tougher. With Raghav Gautam, Bureau Report, NDTV.